Well, I've had some people to ask me about the Model A oil filter since I did the video on it, and how do you install one and what's it comprised of. Well, this is the oil line that goes up into the oil galley right here, and they come a little long, so you have to cut them a little bit so it'll slip up in there. And to make it fit as tight as you can for a better seal, I just take a punch and just open it up a little bit, and that works pretty well. So if you get it too much, you can't hardly get it to slip in. And that's pretty snug right there. So you want to make sure that you've got clearance. You don't want it rubbing any of the valve springs. And I've already pre-fit this thing. I had to cut about a ½ inch or 3/4 off of the tube before it slip up in there. So we're gonna go ahead and put the filter side on, and get all positioned here. The oil line comes through the valve cover here, and you have this nut that goes in here and hooks to the line whenever you get the cover on. And I've got it. You got it threaded started. Now I'm gonna take the stud back out. I thought it would help, but it's not. And sometimes you have to jiggle it around a little bit to get the bolts to start. That's the wrong bolt there. I glue my valve cover gasket to the block, and then I put some ultra black or ultra gray on the valve cover, But I put a little bit of grease on the gasket before I put the valve cover on, so if I ever need to take it off, it'll come off and you can reuse the gasket over, and in case you need to adjust the valves or have any kind of a problem like that. A couple more bolts. This one had the what you call a 3-wrench adjusted. You got to have 3 wrenches to adjust the valves. They're a little bit of a pain to do, but just takes a little time to do it. That one don't feel right. I'm gonna take it out. I think the bolt's bad or something. I have to chase the threads or something. Now we just tighten this one too. It don't take a whole lot. So now the oil pump pumps the oil through the galley, and it comes into the filter here, goes through the filter and back out into the valve chamber. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and maybe if you want to put a oil filter on, you'll see a little bit how it's done. Thanks for watching.